If you worked around building controls, then you've worked around building automation protocols. You just may not have known it. So, what is a protocol? A protocol is just a list of rules that are agreed upon that explains how the controls are to communicate that information on a network. So, if you have a whole bunch of controls, how are they going to agree to share the data? So, ASHRAE, the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, developed BACnet. BACnet just stands for Building Automation and Control Networks, and it's considered an open protocol. So, different manufacturers will get their devices certified to talk BACnet. If you want to learn more about BACnet, you can go to this Contemporary Controls link here, and it's going to take you to this website. And there's a series of 8 videos that'll help break down BACnet. Again, we're just going over the basics here. So BACnet is ASHRAE. They have MSTP, so Master Slave Token Protocol, which is an RS-485 network. And then you have BACnet IP, which is Internet Protocol Ethernet network. The manufacturers then have their controls certified to use this protocol. You're going to hear of Tritium, Niagara Framework. They use Fox S for the protocol, and there's multiple manufacturers that license the software to be used on their front ends. So think web page servers. And they call them, you can have JACEs, they can have supervisor controls, other things like that. Modbus RTU, RS-485 network, and then a Modbus TCP, which is Ethernet. There's a lot of VFDs and boilers have Modbus RTU built in. And then you might have a gateway that converts that to BACnet. Or maybe the manufacturer you're using can talk Modbus RTU and you can bring those points in. LawnWorks from the Echelon Corporation. And then we get down into some manufacturers here. So Metasys is the building automation system for Johnson Controls. Their FEC controllers, their field equipment controllers can talk BACnet. Their older controllers would talk legacy N2 bus. So this N2 was their proprietary protocol. Train Tracer SC Plus is going to be based on BACnet. Then they have Legacy SC and then Summit. Summit was a proprietary protocol. There's other manufacturers out there. This is just to break down that there are different protocols and that manufacturers will use BACnet and or this Tritium Niagara are considered the two open ones.